what's up? My name is Ashley, aka Yoyo Superstar, and today we're going to learn a tower trick in 2 ways. Let's do it. Way number 1. And way number 2. So the only difference between these 2 variations is the first mount. So you can either do it out of a double or nothing, which is a little easier, or you can do it out of the kamikaze mount. So let's learn it. First, let's just do it in a double or nothing. It's a little easier. You're going to throw your double or nothing, which looks like this. It's like a trapeze, okay? But then it goes around the second finger, and then you mount. That's your double or nothing. After you're in your double or nothing, you're going to hop the yo-yo onto these 2 strings from this bottom string. It's just gonna look like that, so both of them need to be under the yo-yo. Alrighty, once you are here, you're just gonna curl this string that's on your non-throw hand pointer and pull it through like this, and you're gonna get a formation like this. It is okay to drop the yo-yo at this point. You won't get any knots, so feel free to do that if you need to. So you've got your double or nothing. You hop the yo-yo onto those 2 strings. You curl your non-throw hand pointer and pull this string through, drop it off there. Then all you're going to do is a little rejection, so you're just gonna pop this off the back, give it a shake, and you've got your tower. To bind, all you're gonna do is drop your non-throw hand, give it a swing, curl your finger, and it will come back. So that rejection one more time, I'm just bringing my middle finger back on my throw hand, and it just kind of pops off there. And then you just kind of straighten out your hands and you'll get that tower, no problem. And for the second variation, it looks very similar. First, you'll throw the kamikaze. I like to throw mine when you get into a Houdini mount and then just pop it up and release it. There are lots of ways to get into this mount, so if you need help, check YouTube. Once you're in your mount, you're going to roll the yo-yo off, and then you're going to roll it onto this front string here. So then you're kind of in a double or nothing shape, and then you're just going to complete the trick just like the last one. You're gonna hop the yo-yo onto those 2 strings, curl your finger through, and reject off the back. You're gonna get a tower. You can again drop it. There's a little snag in this one. You've got an extra wrap around your finger too, but you're just gonna toss it away and bind the yo-yo. Here's that one again from kind of a different angle. Okay, roll it off, up on top, curl this through, reject. There's your tower, and roll away. So once again, for the double or nothing variation, going to throw your double or nothing, hop it up onto these 2 strings, curl your finger and pull it through. You're gonna reject this off the back, shake it out to get your tower, drop this hand and do a one-handed bind, or you can bind in whatever way you want. And for that kamikaze variation, you're going to get into the mount, roll off, roll onto that front string, hop it up onto the double strings, curl your finger, pull it through, reject off the back, shake it out for your tower, drop that non-throw hand, swing it, and bind. So that's it for today. I hope that was clear. If not, please leave your questions and comments below. And remember, always be respectful. My name is Ashley, aka Yoyo Superstar. That's a TikTok trend now, and I'll see you next time. Bye.